Okay, so dagdag na lang natin dun sa payback period mo ng capital budgeting. So, may important thing to remember kasi dito, no? So, yung initial investment mo should include your working capital, no? So, that's 850 total. So, starting point mo 850, no? So, check ka ng kabisado mo ng payback period pero nadali ka pa sa working capital na yan, ano? So, yun yung masakit. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin, deduct lang tayo ng 290. Meron naman ng binigay na annual cash inflows, 290 less 290. Okay, tingnan natin. 850 minus 290, may balance pa, malaki. Minus 290 ka pa ulit. So, 270 na lang. 270 divided by 290 para ma-apportion mo yung ano na lang yung kailangan mo. So, 270 over 290, that would be 0.93. 0.93. Tapos ito 1 year, ito 1 year. So, in total, 2.93. So, 2.93 years. Makakabawi na siya. What is the discounted payback period? Binigyan ka naman ng discount rate, no? So, ilang years total? 4 years. Okay, 1.1 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 years, okay? Tama ba? Ulit. 1.1 divided by 1 equals 2, 3, 4. Minus 1 divided by 10% with 3.167. Sabihin lang natin. Yan yung present value factor. 3. Sorry, mali. Ibang pinagagawa ko. Should have been this way. 290. Wait lang. Tama. 290k. Ganyan mo. 290k. 90k, 290k. So, isa-isayin na lang natin, no? 1.11. So, 9090, 9091, 0.9091. Isa-isa na lang natin yung present value factors. 2.8264. Okay, isa pa ulit. 0.7513. Equals pa ulit. 6830. Okay. Para makita natin per year, no? So, 0.68, 0.991 times 290,000, 263 and 639. Okay, 290,000 times 0.8264, 239,656. 290,000 times 0.75. 290,000 times 0.75. 217,877. Okay, 290,000 times 0.6830. 198. 198,070. Okay. So, starting point pa rin natin, 850,000. 850,000 minus 263, 639, 568, 361. Okay tayo dyan, 1 year. Minus tayo ng 239, 656, 346, 705. Meron pa tayong balanse. Malaki pa. Minus tayo 217, 877. Okay. 128, ayan na. So, 128 na lang. 128,828 which is less than this one. Okay, so pwede na natin i-portion. That's 1 year, 1 year, 1 year. Tapos, that would be 128 na balance eh. 828 divided by 198,070. Ganyan din nung ginawa dun sa taas. So, that would be 198,070 65. So, 0.65. So, total mo lang yan in years. So, that 3.65 years. Okay. So, anong highlight na itong problem na to, no? Ang highlight nito is yung treatment mo ng working capital. It should be added to your investment, yung starting point mo, which is this one. So, this one also. So, yun lang. Sayang naman. Sayang. Kung 2 points yan, 1 point, di ba? Sayang. Tapos na tayo. Babush.